Is it okay though? Let's say not even let's say okay. Oh, it's probably is okay. But let's say would it be chassidus for a man up is on the street or no?
It was breaking up. Say it again. It's a chassidus for a man. What?
To walk with his wife, right? To talk on Shabbos. A lot of people do it. They walk on the street with their wives. It's allowed.
There is no problem. Just keep a little distance. So men usually a little further, woman a little like half a step. It does not have to be a lot. So basically, there is how should you say? Do not follow even your wife. Do not go behind your wife. There is no prohibition generally. But why? Because you might get used to it, and you're going to walk behind a woman. That is not your wife. So if she's next to you, but half a step behind, that's good. Okay. So we're almost. I don't know. Let's read the next halachah. I'm not sure that we're going to start it, but let's see. A Torah says should not walk erect, with the head held high, as Yeshayahu 3:16 states, and they walk with the neck outstretched and flashing eyes. He should not walk with short steps, toe to heel, stately gait like of the woman, and the proud, as Yeshayahu states, walking in and mincing as they go, thinking with their feet. They're tinkling with their feet. So meaning that people are trying to get attention from other people. That's the thing. Nor should he run in public like a madman, nor bend over like a hunchback. Rather, he should cast his eye downwards. As he does when he stands during the prayer. He should walk in a marketplace like a person preoccupied with the business affairs. So don't do eye contact. Don't look like look like you're thinking about something, right? So something on your mind. So you don't stop. Just go wherever you need to go, buy whatever you need to buy, and leave. From a man's carriage, one can recognize whether he is wise or a thoughtful person, or mindless and a fool. Thus Shlomo said in the wisdom in Koheles, on the road too, when fool walks, his mind is empty, and he proclaims to all that he's a fool. So the way the fool walks, like he's with his posture, yet he tells everybody his behavior, like he advertises he's a fool. Right, he informs everyone, just one second, about himself that he's a fool. Okay, so we start here. Yeah, go ahead.
For example, does it count as prideful for a person to wear his hat upwards? Let's see, as
I don't know what to say. I think so. I mean,
you think so? Oh, I see a lot of yeshivish people wear their hats upwards. So
younger people, younger.
Yeah.
People, younger people. So the rabbis don't wear it. Like that. Talmudic Chachamim do not wear hats like that.
Okay.
You understand? So sometimes they would put the head a little down when they would put filling. Mm-hmm. And that's a different story. That's for a mitzvah, yeah, that's allowed. But otherwise, it's of course okay.